Have you ever wondered how Coca-Cola, the world's most famous soft drink, is made? It's an iconic beverage enjoyed by millions of people daily across the globe. But have you ever thought about what goes into creating the perfect bottle of Coca-Cola? Today, we are taking you behind the scenes to uncover the secrets of Coca-Cola's production process, from its secret blend of flavors to its signature caramel color. Every detail will be revealed. Get ready to dive into the fascinating process behind this legendary drink and discover why Coca-Cola has remained a favorite for over a century. Let's start with the ingredients of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is made with a unique blend of ingredients that give it its distinct taste, and its key components include high fructose corn syrup. This is used for sweetness, caramel color for its recognizable brown hue, caffeine for a stimulating effect, phosphoric acid to balance the sweetness. These four ingredients are mixed in precise proportions to create the signature syrup that defines Coca-Cola's unique flavor. Additionally, natural flavors such as vanilla, cinnamon, and citrus are added to enhance the taste, making it truly one of a kind. Coca-Cola upholds strict quality standards. Every batch of ingredients is tested for purity and quality to ensure consistency in every bottle, no matter where in the world it's consumed. We're going to discover Coca-Cola's production process in this video. The production of Coca-Cola is a highly detailed and controlled process that involves several stages. Number 1. Mixing. You see, ingredients are carefully measured and blended to create the syrup, which is later mixed with water. Number 2. Carbonation. Carbon dioxide is added to the mixture, creating Coca-Cola's signature fizz. Number 3. Bottling. Bottles are thoroughly cleaned, filled, capped, and labeled with precision. Number 4. Quality control. Samples are taken at every stage to test for flavor, carbonation, and appearance consistency. Even after bottling, each bottle undergoes rigorous pressure and quality tests to ensure it reaches consumers fresh and safe. Now we are going to talk about Coca-Cola and its branding. Coca-Cola isn't just a drink. It's a global brand synonymous with happiness and smiles. Its marketing campaigns such as Share a Coke have gained massive popularity worldwide. This campaign personalized bottles with names promoting friendship and connection. The company has also made significant strides in sustainability, with plans to use 100% recycled plastic in its bottles by 2030. Additionally, Coca-Cola actively participates in charitable causes and environmentally friendly initiatives, solidifying its commitment to social responsibility. The process of making Coca-Cola is intricate and highly controlled, ensuring consistency and quality in every bottle. But Coca-Cola is more than just a drink. It's a cultural icon built on a foundation of exceptional marketing and unwavering quality standards. By creating strong emotional connections and offering a positive experience to its customers, Coca-Cola has maintained its legacy. This beloved drink isn't just a favorite today, but is set to remain so for generations to come.